Hey guys, DEADLEG here. I'm going to be working on a TM high cap of 4.3. Customer said that I needed a new nozzle, so I'm going to be replacing the nozzle and pretty much getting it back up into working condition. Basically a stock TM 4.3 with no nozzle. Let's see if we can get this replica up and running again. Removing the upper. Let's get that out. That out. Yep. Unscrew the housing from the slide. Okay. Stock TM, probably have to work it out a bit. There it is. It's missing the nozzle spring too, so we'll replace that as well with a stock TM nozzle. I believe stock internals too. Should be a good fit. Add a dab of lube for the housing. Make sure we get a good seal. Okay, now replace the nozzle spring with the new one. Get it back installed properly. And it's in. Looks good. Let's get everything else back together. Tap a Loctite. Maybe a bit heavy. Okay. Got that back in there. And he's also missing a rear side screw. I do have one that fits. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, not the prettiest, but it'll work for now. We'll see if he wants to keep it. I don't think you really need it in this particular case. Doesn't hurt, but let's get it back together and then we'll function test it. Just make sure it could cycle, and we have it back together. Functions fine, no problem. No BBs. No BB in the chamber. Test fire. Manages to lock back as well. We're good. Okay. Get this packed up. Back to the customer. See if he wants to keep that screw or not. Otherwise, good to go.